Moroi Makadini Tinokuchingamidzai pa Shonaland. Hi, how are you? Welcome to Shonaland. Today we are going to be taking you through on a lesson of body parts in Shona. This is episode 2 of body parts in Shona. Thank you very much for all those who have been joining us here from the beginning up to now. To our valued subscribers, we are very much appreciative of your support. And for all those who are joining us for the first time, to make sure that you hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, drop a like if you like this video, and make sure you hit that dislike button twice to be sure if you don't like it, and drop a comment always on asking your own questions or asking us on any lesson that you want us to teach you, and we will be very glad to respond to you. So let's get started with today's lesson, episode 2, body parts in Shona. Body parts. Mitezo yemuviri. Mitezo yemuviri. Teeth. Zino. Zino. I need to see a dentist. I have a toothache. Ndinoda kuona chiremba wemazino. Ndine zino riri kurwadza. Ndinoda kuona chiremba wemazino. Ndine zino riri kurwadza. My teeth hurts when I drink cold water. Mazino angu anorwadza ndikanwa mvura inotonhora. Mazino angu anorwadza ndikanwa mvura inotonhora. Tongue. Rurimi. Rurimi. I bite my tongue chewing meat yesterday. Ndakazviruma rurimi ndichitsenga nyama nezuro. Ndakazviruma rurimi ndichitsenga nyama nezuro. I burnt my tongue with tea in the morning. Ndapisa rurimi rwangu neputugadzike kuseni. Ndapisa rurimi rwangu neputugadzike kuseni. Chin. Chirebvu. Chirebvu. I now have beard on my chin. Ndava nendebvu pachirebvu. Ndava nendebvu pachirebvu. I accidentally cut myself on my chin. Ndazvicheka pachirebvu. Ndazvicheka pachirebvu. Neck. Mutsipa. Mutsipa. My neck is hurting. Mutsipa wangu uri kurwadza. Mutsipa wangu uri kurwadza. I need a massage on my neck. Ndinoda kutovewa mutsipa wangu. Ndinoda kutovewa mutsipa wangu. Shoulder. Bendekete. Bendekete. My shoulder blade dislocated. Bendekete rangu raminyuka. Bendekete rangu raminyuka. I bumped onto his shoulder. Ndarovera pabendekete rake. Ndarovera pabendekete rake. Arm. Ruoko. Ruoko. My father have a big arm. Baba vangu vane ziruoko zihombe. Baba vangu vane ziruoko zihombe. This also can be translated to Baba vangu vane ruoko ruhombe. Baba vangu vane ruoko ruhombe. I burnt my arm on the stove. Ndapiswa ruoko rwangu nechitofu. Ndapiswa ruoko rwangu nechitofu. Palm. Chanza. Chanza. My palm is sweating. Chanza changu chiri kudikitira. Chanza changu chiri kudikitira. He cut his palm trying to pull the string. achekwa chanza achiedza kudhonza shinda. Achekwa chanza achiedza kudhonza shinda. Finger, chigunwe, chigunwe. My finger was squashed on the door. Chigunwe changu chakatswanyiwa pagonhi. Chigunwe changu chakatswanyiwa pagonhi. The thief broke my finger. Mbavha yakatyora chigunwe changu. Mbavha yakatyora chigunwe changu. Thank you very much for joining us on this second episode of Body Parts in Shona. Do make sure that you join us on the next episode as we are going to continue with more body parts in Shona and putting them in a short sentence so that you would know how to use them in a sentence and also to familiarize with the body parts. Maybe to just hit the highlights of today's lesson, we have got arm, ruoko, which I have translated as my father have got a big arm. And this I've translated in two ways, which is baba vangu vane ziruoko zihombe. Now this is used to describe something that is humongous, something that is humongous. Let's say a hammer. A hammer is a big car. We would say zimota iri rakanaka. Get it? So, and also you can translate it to baba vangu vane ruoko ruhombe. Baba vangu vane ruoko ruhombe. Meaning my father have got a big arm. Now this, you'll be just saying it as it is and without trying to show how big it is or trying to show to people that this thing is just huge. You haven't seen it before. So thank you very much for joining us today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell. Drop a like if you like this video. Comment on anything so that we can improve our content here so that you guys can have your Shona tutorials in a much better way. Thank you very much.